Imagine holding a small silver-colored coin in your hand. At first glance, it may look ordinary, but what if this tiny coin carries a story that goes back more than 50 years? Today, we are talking about the 1973 United States 1 dime, a coin that millions of people used without ever realizing its hidden details. The 1973 dime belongs to the famous Roosevelt dime series, which was first introduced in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt. By 1973, the United States had already moved away from silver coins. This dime is made of a clad composition, meaning it has a copper core with outer layers of nickel. Even though it doesn't contain silver, it still holds strong historical importance. In 1973, America was going through major changes. Inflation was rising, the oil crisis was approaching, and everyday people were feeling economic pressure. Coins like this dime were part of daily life, used for phone calls, vending machines, and bus fares. This dime quietly passed through millions of hands. There were 3 types of 1973 dimes minted. 1973 P. Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark. 1973 D. Denver Mint. 1973 S. San Francisco Mint, proof coins. The Philadelphia and Denver versions were minted in very large numbers, which makes them common today. However, condition matters a lot. A circulated 1973 dime is usually worth only face value, about 10 cents, but a high-grade uncirculated coin can be worth several dollars. Now here's where collectors get excited. Some 1973 dimes were struck with errors, off-center strikes, weak strikes, or doubled details. These error coins can be worth $50, $100, or even more, depending on rarity and condition. Proof coins from San Francisco, especially those with deep mirror-like surfaces, are also collectible. So while the 1973 dime may look simple, it represents a powerful era in American history, a time of economic struggle and transition. For collectors, it's a reminder that even modern coins can carry value if you know what to look for. Now let's fast forward to 1989, another important year in modern history. The Cold War was ending, technology was advancing, and the world was changing rapidly. And once again, the Roosevelt dime was there, quietly circulating among the people. The 1989 United States dime continues the same Roosevelt design, with President Roosevelt on the front and the torch, olive branch, and oak branch on the reverse. These symbols represent liberty, peace, and strength, values that America strongly emphasized during this period. Just like the 1973 dime, the 1989 dime is made of copper-nickel-clad metal. It was minted in 1989 P. Philadelphia, 1989 D. Denver, 1989 S. San Francisco, proof. Millions of these dimes were produced, making most of them common today. In circulated condition, their value usually remains 10 cents. However, collectors are always searching for perfect condition coins. An uncirculated 1989 dime with full details and nowhere can sell for a few dollars. Proof coins from 1989s are especially popular among collectors. These coins were not made for circulation, they were produced specifically for collectors and have sharp details and mirror-like finishes. Some proof dimes with exceptional quality or errors can fetch higher prices. Just like with the 1973 dime, mint errors are the real treasure. Off-center strikes, clipped planchets, and doubled dies can significantly increase the value. While rare, such errors remind us that even modern coins can become valuable surprises. The 1989 dime represents a modern America, stable, global, and moving into a digital future. It may not look rare today, but time has a way of turning everyday objects into collectibles.